So it's dinner time and I am making us some steaks. I have a T-bone and a tenderloin, and I am trying Scott's technique for the very first time using the air fryer, but cooking the steak from frozen. I've heard such good things about it, how it makes it really crispy with a nice crust on the outside, but keeps it nice and medium rare to rare on the inside, which I love. So I'm trying it for the very first time. My air fryer finally arrived just before Christmas, so it's taken me a little while to try this technique out, but I'm really excited because I've seen so many great results from it. For the tenderloin, it's thicker, so I'm going to cook that on my cast iron grill pan. And the T-bone, which is a mix of sirloin on one side and a little bit of tenderloin, that is going to be in the air fryer. And I'm going to make a little butter truffle sauce on the side with it. So here's the T-bone that I have, and I froze it. And this is the tenderloin fillet, which I'm going to do on the grill pan. Got the frozen steak here. I'm just going to add some salt to it and put it in the air fryer. All right. I'm going to put it in right here. And I'm going to put it in for 10 minutes at 200 Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit, for about 10 minutes. And then I'll flip it to the other side. Meanwhile, over here, I've got my cast iron grill pan getting really hot. You can see it starting to smoke. And I'm going to put the tenderloin on there, and here making some Béarnaise. I've got some melted butter. I've got my egg yolks in here. I'm gonna make that into Béarnaise. My cast iron grill pan. There goes some tenderloin on here. And I got some salt and pepper on it. Here I've got my egg yolks, and I put in some Dijon lemon juice, some tarragon, salt and pepper, and I'm going to pour the melted butter in. And then I'm going to use my handheld immersion blender. Drop that into the bottom so it's standing, and I'm just going to turn it on. Is looking really nice. I love a cast iron grill pan. That's 10 minutes that I put it in. I'm going to flip it over now to the other side. That looks nice and done on that side. I'll put it in for another 10 minutes. Alright, there we go. My tenderloin here, and I've got some fresh parsley. I'm going to add it to the Béarnaise sauce over here. Just drop that in. Nicely incorporated, and the Béarnaise sauce is done, and I added a little bit of truffle salt to it as well. Alright, see how that looks. It's been 10 minutes on the other side. That actually looks really nice and crispy. Wow, really nice crust on the outside. And we'll do the test when I slice it open and see if it is still nice and pink inside. Got my Béarnaise sauce over here, ready to go, and we're gonna serve this up. I'm gonna slice this steak up. I've got my Béarnaise sauce there, and this is a little truffle butter sauce. It's just some melted ghee and truffle salt. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. It's kind of pink. I probably could have cooked it a little bit less, maybe like 8 minutes on each side, but it's kind of like well done to medium rare. But nice crust on the outside, and I'm gonna serve this up and enjoy. Got all that steak here and our sauces, and this is some of that oxtail steaming hot. It's gonna be good. Thanks for watching, guys. You can get the recipe for my hollandaise sauce using the link in the description.